if it'll focus. There it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. A lot has happened. I've moved, got my hair cut, lots of stuff. So today I just wanted to kind of do a first video of 2019 and just kind of see where it goes with this whole YouTube channel again. I'm not sure what direction I really want the channel to go, but it's fun, it's relaxing, and I enjoy doing it. So I'm just going to keep doing what I like doing, which is unboxings sprinkled in here, favorites, things I've been loving, just things, you know, things in life that I like to enjoy. I want to put out there too. So welcome. If you're new, I would love for you to pretty much start this journey all over again, because it's been about a year since I posted a video. But subscribe down below, hit that notification so you get notified whenever I do upload a video. And I am here today because I want to do a quick little unboxing today. I haven't done anything, I just kind of opened it and took off my information here, but I want to do an unboxing, and it's just something little, nothing big. If you hear anything, my dog's down here, just kind of keeping me company. But just something small, something that, while I'm here, this isn't an unboxing, but I'll just go ahead and reveal my pretty new baby. This is the Speedy Bee 25 in the Damier Abin, I believe it's called, print, that checkered print, and I love this new baby. Well, she's new to me. I received her off of Fashion File, so she was in excellent condition. She's pretty much new. There's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong. No scratches, no nothing. So beautiful bag. But I just wanted a little something. If you want a little bit more information on this, just let me know down in the comments down below. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on a little accessory for my new bag. So let's go ahead and get started real quick. It's already 2 minutes in. So, ta-da! And let me tell you, I spoke to my SA or C, what are they? Client advisor, CA, is that what they're called now? Client advisor, yesterday, and this had arrived, and I was able to get it here. She got it here in 1 day, which is amazing. So first thing on top of the box is my little receipt envelope with my receipt in it. And I did have it mailed because I don't live so close to the Louis Vuitton store anymore. So I was able to talk to my CA and have her ship this out to me. So that's great. And in this box is this box. Let me just go ahead and just take off the ribbon. And I love these little slide boxes. Like, I don't know what it is about that sound that for me is satisfying. So, inside is a little dust pouch, and in the pouch is my new little luggage tag. God, isn't it cute? Oh, it's so adorable. So I just got, I asked for a luggage tag, and they went, I messaged her and she ordered one for me. It took, I want to say, about 3 to 4 weeks maybe for her to let me know that it had come in. But then once it came in, I went ahead and, you know, paid for it, and they hot stamped it for me and then sent it to me the next day. So that's wonderful. But it's a cute little, with a little stamp. Not cute. I don't know if it's going to focus, but so I really love these just to accessorize and decorate my bag. So I'll probably stick it right here so it can kind of go with my little poof. or because I have the lock on this side, so I'll probably put it over here. So yeah, got this. And if you want to know this, the price of, I think this is, I mean, on the receipt it just says repair, I think, so yeah, it just says repair, but it was the size, which is the smaller size, I think, of these, was $60. So definitely worth it because I see these all the time. I know they're out there on like the resale, the pre-love market, or people sell these for way above what they actually retail for at the store. So if you're able to get one, if your store has one, or if you have a client advisor that will order one for you, I say that's the way to go. But I love these for decorations on my Louis Vuitton bag. So cute. I love it. Alright guys, so that is all for tonight. It is a late night. Everybody's sleeping, and I just wanted to kind of pop on here real quick and just do this quick little video. Please, again, I'm so glad to be back. I will really try to get videos out. I'm just really busy with back in school and just work at full time and so many other things. So I will try to get videos out whenever I can with things that I love, anything from beauty products to my bags, what I keep in my bag, how I organize my bags. Those are the kind of things that I really like to watch when I'm searching for videos on YouTube. So definitely things that you'll see on this channel, anywhere from just, just whatever. So hope you'll join me. It's so nice to be back, and you guys have a wonderful night and have a great one. Bye.